In this video, I'm gonna teach you 3 easy tricks that can instantly save your DJ mix. Now before we get started, let me just say that all the songs I'm gonna use in this video are all the notable via the links down below or right over here, and you can really support this channel by donating and downloading as you go. And also liking and subscribing to the channel really helps too. Okay, let's begin. Now let's say you're mixing and you're having a bit of trouble beat matching or finding a way to mix in the next song. Like you want to change genres or go to another BPM range. What can you do to do just that in the synch? Well, we can implement method number 1, which utilizes an echo effect and a properly placed cue point. So it works like this. While the currently playing song is playing, make a cue point on the next track at a section where the song really begins, like when the vocals drop or when a familiar melody kicks in. Then when you plan to mix in the next song, simply activate an echo effect on the currently playing song and bring down its volume fader. Then as the echo lingers, play the next song with the cue point we just made. So here's an example.
Pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Do you ever find yourself mixing the next song in and you realize that you've triggered and played the next song too early or too late in the mix? Now you can't go back in time and recue and play that track at that perfect transition point, so we need to find a way to offset those number of beats. So this is where trick number 2 comes in. I call this the emergency loop trick, and it works like this. When you realize you mixed in too early in a song, simply make a 4-beat loop on the song you're mixing in. And if you realize that you've mixed in the next song too late, just make a 4-beat loop on the song you're mixing from. Now, one of the reasons why you may mix in the next song too early or too late in a mix could be because of your timing. Perhaps you simply didn't trigger the next song on time at the transition point. So to assist with your timing, we're gonna use trick number 3, which is to activate quantize. Now what quantize does basically snaps cue points and loops to the currently playing song's beat grid. And this concept is easier demonstrated than stated, so here's a quick example of how a track will react when it triggers its cue point with quantize disabled. And here's how the track will react with quantize enabled. So the software will try to fix your timing so that when you trigger a cue point when the track is currently playing, the software will make it align perfectly with the Master Deck's beat grid, which should be the currently playing song. And this will help greatly when triggering the next song and even making perfectly timed loops. And here are a few examples. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section down below which trick was your favorite and why. And with that said, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in the next one.